you're giving a speech, do you feel you haven't got the audience's full attention? If so, keep watching. Hi, Jo here. How are you? I hope you're well. So, you've written a great talk. You look fantastic and you feel nice and calm. But as you're delivering your talk, it seems as if the audience just couldn't care less. What's going on? Chances are it's the way we speak, whether we're using a well-modulated voice or not. Modulated. It's a pretty old-fashioned term, but I had an old-fashioned teacher, my mother. So what is modulation? Well, modulation is how we vary our voice to make it interesting. We change the pitch, we change the pace, we change the volume, we change the emphasis. And all of those things, we mustn't forget, pause. All of these things brought together can bring mood and meaning to what we're saying and make it a lot more interesting. So how do you use a well-modulated voice? My trick is that you imagine you are reading to a 5-year-old child. Think about it. When you're reading to a 5-year-old, you tend to put a lot more excitement into your voice. You tend to vary your pitch, your pace, to describe the story. And the child becomes interested. Yet we don't do this when we're talking to adults. Why not? If we're truly honest, inside, we are all just like those 5-year-old kids. We love having a good story. We love interesting voices when they're talking to us. And the good news is, if you use a well-modulated voice, you are sharing passion, energy and enthusiasm, all of which are contagious. Have you ever tried to sit through a talk when the presenter is really enthusiastic and full of energy? Are you bored? I doubt it. The likelihood is that you get wrapped up in their enthusiasm, and the next thing you come away feeling all energized. It's fantastic. And what they tend to do is use a well-modulated voice which shares the passion, the excitement and the energy. That will help a lot. So when you use a well-modulated voice, what you are actually doing is painting a picture in the audience's mind. It's called imagery, and the poets are brilliant at this. I could recite a poem for you, but I'll spare you that this time. However, if you are wanting me to recite a poem, let me know in the comments below and I'll see what I can find. So you're painting a picture in the audience's mind. You look at the words that you use. Certain words lend themselves to help to paint that picture. For example, long. If you are using the word long, and you just say long, it doesn't really paint a picture. But if you go long, dragging out the vowel sound slightly, it tends to really make it seem like it's a long time. You can look at your onomatopoeic type words, the words that sound like they mean. For example, splash. It sounds like a splash. Or buzz. It sounds like a buzz. Now, granted, there are certain talks where you'll never use splash or buzz, but onomatopoeia is in lots of words. So look for them and really make it tell that story. Look at making those sounds just a little bit exaggerated, and that goes a long way towards creating the picture in your audience's mind. So next time you're giving a talk, I want you to try to remember to tell it as if you're saying it to a 5-year-old child. See if it makes a difference and let me know in the comments below. I'm sure it will. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and click the bell icon. That way you get notified next time I upload a video. And if you like it, please hit the like button. I'd love to have your comments. They are really important to let me know what is working for you. I want to cater these videos to suit you. And check out my channel, there's lots more videos there on what you can do to improve the way you talk or how you speak in public, or just want to build your confidence. It's all useful stuff. Okay, until next time.